JD Cap 26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. And I got a review and a tip today for you. We had 1-800 Get Junk come today, and we wanted to get rid of a couch, an old couch. It was pretty bad shape. And let me tell you, they were on time, they were efficient, and everything went very well. And they send guys that really can do the job. So I have a lot to say about 1-800 Got Junk, and some things not to say is they're the best, really. If you're in a bind, if you can't find anybody to move a couch or this or that, get rid of a couch in a dumpster or whatever, it's tough, you know. So, matter of fact, if you buy new furniture, don't expect them to take it away because they won't. They don't remove old furniture. Some really big places do. But, you know, we bought a couch and, you know, they wouldn't remove it because of insurance purposes. You think they'd have some kind of side thing they would put in, you know, a contract, you know, add into, you know, we'll bring you new furniture and we'll take this old stuff away. They don't do that. I don't understand it. So if you're in a bind, go to 1-800 Junk and they'll take care of you really good. You know, it's Got Junk. Sorry, guys. So if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments below. I thank you for watching, and for the new viewers and my old subscribers, continue to watch. There's plenty of videos to watch on my channel, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.